Oh my god, major deja vu. Okay, what's up YouTube? Today I'm doing a video over this Powerline 880 Daisy again. Got another shooting range set up, and I'm gonna be, shooting each one. I got 2 plastic bottles, 3 cans, and then a bottle cap on one of the cans. So let's just see how many I can hit. Let's go. That was one. Whew. Got that can off. Far right. Woo! You see that? You see that? Woo! Let's grab this one right here on the front again. Got last time for this one on the front. I want to make you fly, dude. Try to hit the bottom of it. It's not moving. Okay, now on the very back, I got a water bottle. Try to get a cool shot right here, going online with the camera. Ah, missed it. Okay, last shot's about 10 yards. Whew! That was awesome! Okay, join me next time when something else happens on this channel. Remember to like and subscribe. Thank you all so much. And the Daisy is an awesome gun. Bye-bye.